Welcome. If you want to control who can see your social network links on your Roblox profile using the latest update, you're in the right place. Whether you're a creator looking to grow your audience or just want to keep things private, Roblox now makes it simple to manage your social network visibility. Here's how you do it step by step. First, open up Roblox on your browser and log into your account. Make sure you're on the account where you want to adjust these settings. Next, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a gear icon. Click on it. This opens up your main menu, where you can access all your account options. From the drop-down, select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, head over to the Account Info tab. This is where you manage your personal details, display name, and of course, your social network links. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Social Networks Visibility. Here, Roblox gives you full control over who can view the links to your social media profiles. You'll see several options for visibility. You can choose Everyone. Anyone on Roblox can see your social links. Friends, followers, and people you follow. Only users you're connected with in some way will see them. Friends and people you follow. A bit more restricted. Friends. Only people you've accepted as friends can see your links. No one. This hides your social media links from everyone. Simply click on the option that fits your privacy needs best. If you want to share your socials with the world, select Everyone. If you prefer to keep things private, Friends or No One might be the way to go. Once you've made your selection, don't forget to scroll down and hit Save to apply your changes. Your new settings will take effect immediately, and you can always come back to adjust them whenever you want. That's it. You're now in control of who can see your social networks on Roblox. Stay safe, share wisely, and enjoy your time on the platform. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.